Hi friends, welcome back to Design Travel. In session 3, we are going to see Sketcher and constraints. So we'll go to the software. So when you open the software, go to New. So in Type, you can see there is a separate sketch module available. So it is similar to AutoCAD tools. But since we are using Creo Parametric, we'll be using solid modeling. So we need to select part solid, and you can edit whatever name you want and click OK. So once you click OK, you can see some lines. So that is called datum planes. So for detail, I'll open one example model. So here you can see there are three types of planes available: front, top and right. So if you want to draw any sketch, you need to select any plane, some of the planes as a reference to draw the sketch, similar to the paper when we are drawing the technical drawing. So after that, choose sketch module. So once you choose sketch, you need to select one plane. So you can see the property manager in the right side. So select the plane, front plane, and click sketch. So the plane will come parallel to exactly to the screen. Okay. So now we'll see draw some sketch. For example, I'm going to choose line. Okay. So go to line and choose one of the first option. So there are two types of line, so we are going to use the first one. So for lines we need 2 points, the start point and end point. Just start and pick another point, click OK. So once you're done OK, and to the edit, right click and do the edit definition. So now you can see some default dimensions, because we didn't apply these dimensions. So the software applies automatically when it creates the sketches. Okay. So this is called weak dimensions. So we should not, while creating a product, the weak dimensions is not allowed. So you need to convert all the dimensions into strong dimension. So we can make it by double click, and you can modify whatever dimensions you need according to the specification. So once you double click and modify it, you can see it has become like a strong blue. So there is like a strong blue color. Okay. So now we'll see another example. So go to sketch, and again I'm selecting the front plane and draw some freehand sketch like this. So here I'm going to apply some constraints. Okay. So if you see, it automatically referred from the coordinate system. Okay, so you can see like XY axis. So some of the dimensions are referring from that XY axis. So now I'm going to apply the dimension. So select the dimension, or you can directly double click the already available weak dimension, and you can specify the height and width. So for width, I'm choosing the dimension and picking 2 points and middle button to specify the dimensions. So once you got that, you can see the color changes to dark blue, and I'm going to apply some constraints. So here I'm going to apply the equal constraints for the vertical lines. Okay. So once that is done, I'm going to modify this one to the horizontal line, horizontal constraints. So now you can see it becomes like a rectangle. So now I'm going to apply the references from the x-axis and the y-axis. And to make even more safer, so you can lock the dimension. So just pick the dimension. You can see the lock symbol. Once you locked, the sketch will become parametric. So the parametric sketch, I already put some videos based on that. You can check the description. Okay, so if you accidentally pull the sketch, it will not change the structure. Okay, it will not get collapsed. So click OK. So now we will see some of the inspection tools available. So if you see to inspect the sketches, there is separate module available. It is not module, it is a group in ribbon tab. So if it is the sketch is overlapped, or if it is opened, or if it is closed, so anything we can check by using the inspection tool. So next we'll see some more examples. So for that I'm going to open now the different sketch which I already created. So here I have created some 4 sketches and make it hidden. So if you want to show, just right click and just select the show button. Okay, so here there are 2 circles. So I'm going to edit that circle, right click, edit definition. So if you see, everything is a weak dimension. So you can see there are 2 circles. I'm going to apply some constraints. So there is not even single strong dimension available. So go to equal and select 2 circles. So now if you see, the software automatically took its own dimension. But when we're creating a sketch, we need to apply our own dimension based on the user specification. So for that I'm going to modify the dimension and make it as a strong dimension. So once it is done, now you can again apply the equal constraint. So go to equal, select equal, pick the strong dimension first, after that the weak dimension. So now you can see it automatically convert according to the strong dimension. So next constraint we can apply like horizontal. So for horizontal we just need 2 points. So we need to pick 2 points, so it will be aligning in particular position. Okay. So next we'll apply the vertical one. So vertical is also similar to horizontal, so it will make a point vertical alignment. So now we'll see another sketch. So I'm going to hide this one. So just as the similar option, right click and select the show hide option. And this is my second sketch. So here I'm going to use the midpoint constraint. So midpoint is nothing but the point will be aligning exactly in the middle of the line. It's called midpoint. So you need to choose the line and the point. Okay, and the coincident constraint. So coincident we can do like connect the circle and the point, or point and point. So this is a coincident constraint. The next one we will see the different sketch. So this is another sketch. So here I am going to make 2 lines perpendicular by applying the perpendicular constraint. So go to select perpendicular and pick the horizontal and this angle line. So you can see the line become exactly perpendicular to each other. And I'm also going to make a parallel constraint. So choose a line, choose a constraint, and pick the line which you need to make it as a parallel. Okay, I'm also going to do this vertical slanting line. So parallel. So choose a parallel constraint and pick the rest 2 lines. and make the bottom line as a horizontal. Select the horizontal and pick the line, so it automatically become horizontal. So now this is a fourth sketch. So this is your task, so you need to find which constraint you can use to make it as a symmetric. So you can make a comment, or I'll try to share this sketch with you. Okay guys, hope you understand something about the sketch and constraint. So if you have any doubt, you can give me a feedback, or if you need to do any other topic, you can let me know, so I'll make a video based on that. So, okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.